Valerie. I am so excited that you chose Tameron Hyundai to help you with your selection of the vehicle. My name is Cherie England. I'm located at 1591 Montgomery Highway in Hoover, right across from the big Wells Fargo Bank on Highway 31. You chose in our pre-owned department our 2009 Toyota Corolla. It's right here sitting beside me, and I just want to tell you a little bit about it before you come in and take you for a test drive today. So come on in, let's take a look. As you can see, it has flowers on it. I'm going to give you those for free. Actually, we're going to wash those off. But you'll look at the grill, you'll see it's corrugated. It has the iconic Toyota symbol in the front. It has really good headlights as well as fog lights. It has some really good tires. As we pan to the side of the vehicle, you'll notice it has a spoiler on the back. We go inside the vehicle. It is black leather. The leather is well maintained and taken care of. The previous owner loved their car. They took good care of it. It was a one owner. On the steering wheel, you have cruise control. As you go to the center, you'll notice it has an after-hour stereo system, which is Pioneer. You have a CD player. It works wonderfully. I just ran it just to make sure it was in really excellent condition because we need that cold air in Alabama. It also has a hot heat for the winter as well. But thank goodness we don't get much winter. You'll see that it has every little feature you're looking for in a vehicle and then some. I know you saw that great price, Valerie. That means this vehicle is not going to be here long. It needs a new home. So please give me a call at 205-380-6250. We can set up a time that's convenient for you to come out and take it for a test drive today. I am going to be here until 8 o'clock tonight. Again, the phone number is 205-380-6250. Or feel free to just come on by to 1591 Montgomery Highway in Hoover, right across from the big Wells Fargo Bank here on Highway 31. And you can, of course, if you're at work and you're not able to actually call, but you can text me on my cell phone, and that number is 205-702-1029. Valerie, remember here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you treat it because I know I'll see you soon.